In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a blog template in the Design Manager in Hubspot. Whether you're setting up your first blog or looking to refresh your existing one, customizing your template is the key to creating a unique and professional appearance. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how everything works. So, let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. This is your platform's launchpad, where you can access all the tools HubSpot offers. Once you're there, look for the login button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub, giving you quick access to all critical functions. From the HubSpot home, your next step is to locate the navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing different aspects of your site. Look for content in this menu. Clicking on content will reveal a drop-down. From this drop-down, select blog. This will direct you to the section where all your blog-related activities can be managed. If you're considering starting a new blog post or editing an existing one, this is where it all begins. Now let's assume you have a specific blog post in mind that you want to edit. Browse through your list of blog posts and select the page you wish to update. It's essential to have a clear idea of what changes you want to make before diving into the template editing process. Once you've selected your page, you'll see several options related to the post. Next, click on Settings. This button often holds the key to deeper customization options. In the Settings section, you'll find the Edit This Template option. Clicking this will open the Design Manager interface where you can start tweaking your template to your liking. This is the heart of template customization, where you can make detailed changes to the layout and design features of your blog post. Remember to take your time while making adjustments in the template editor. Each element you modify can have a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your blog. After making your desired changes, don't forget to preview your blog post to see how it looks to visitors. It's a good practice to review your edits before publishing to ensure everything appears exactly how you envisioned. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through editing a blog template in HubSpot's Design Manager. With these steps, you now have the tools to craft a blog that stands out. Happy blogging!